Everyone's invited, of course.
We would be honored if you would join us. This facility is crude, but it should be adequate to freeze Skywalker for his journey to the Emperor. We will test it on Captain Solo.
This deal is getting worse all the time.
I love you.
He's alive, and in perfect hibernation.
You may take Captain Solo to Jabba the Hutt. Reset the chamber for Skywalker. Calrissian, take the princess and the Wookiee to my ship.
What do you think you're doing? I'm not going anywhere until we get Han back from that bounty hunter.
Then let's get the Falcon and stop him.
Hey,
What do you think you're doing?
Calrissian, did Lord Vader tell you to take the prisoners to his ship? Hey, where are they?
Blast him!
Hear they froze that smuggler in carbonite? Boba Fett's taking him to Tatooine. I don't like that guy. He's too quiet. And I can never tell which way up his ship is supposed to be. Don't get acquired. They're going after Fett and Solo. Stop them!
Troopers up ahead.
Move in on the rebels!
It's him. That's Boba Fett's ship.
Han!
Come on, Princess. We need to reach the Falcon. My men should have fixed the hyperdrive by now.
Good!
If anyone attempts to get through this door, blast them. The Millennium Falcon must not leave the landing pad. Understood?
They're locking me out. This is my city. My city.
Well, looks like you've got a stormtrooper problem you should look into.
Don't look it after with us now! I'm actually starting to miss that cheeky little droid.
Don't worry. We'll get that two-car back.
You precious cloud city belongs to the Empire now. And so does that hunk of junk on the platform.
Take cover! Let me out! I have a shiny blaster and everything.
Let's get these Imperial warts out of our city.
Why won't this infernal lift work? Troopers, I need backup!
I knew we'd make it.
Sure you did.
No sign of the bounty hunter. Come on, let's get to the Falcon. The ramp isn't coming down. Chewie, see what you can do.
Don't let them fix that ship!
Vader said they failed on his dinner. Get them!
We're doomed, all because of Captain Solo's useless ship.
Useless? We did the Kessel run in less than 12 practice.
Lord Vader doesn't want them to...
Stop the furry one from fixing the ship.
If you leave it further, it doesn't usually take this long. We are in a hurry, you know. How does clumsy hands go any faster, you little Britain's moth?
Engaging target!
How is Chewbacca supposed to concentrate with all this blaster fire? He's only a Wookiee, you know. Just so you know, every second that passes drastically lowers the odds of us escaping.
I really don't like that bounty hunter.
You and me both.
So much for your city, huh?
They'd better not have touched my cake.
You're not getting away that I see him. Engage.
Get to the Falcon, quick! Leia, go! It's not my fault!